Okay, I think for me, starting with choice theory was the key in the classroom. I remember all of us getting together and actually creating lesson plans to teach the students what it means to their basic needs are. And when you're teaching it, you're reinstilling it in yourself, helping you as a teacher, as a professional, ingrain these things into your mind about why kids are doing what they're doing. And then when they start understanding it, you can even say, I see you're talking with somebody. What need are you trying to meet right now? And obviously, it's a need of belonging and fun. And so you start thinking about how those needs need to be handled in the classroom. Um, when you bring in reality therapy to that, we also would teach the kids in the classroom about reality therapy. And, what are you doing right now? Is what you're doing helping you get what you want? Are you being successful? If not, why not? And what can you do to change? And so when you start asking the kids those questions, it takes the pressure off you as a professional, and it puts that responsibility directly back onto the students. And the key is that you can't always RT. There's times to discipline and just tell them what needs to be done in order to get it done. But when you always think RT, going with the questions and getting them to evaluate first, you'll find that your blood pressure is lower, you don't get angry as much, and every kid in the classroom continues to hear the questions, and then they can start learning how on their own to evaluate their behaviors and their successes and their goals, and you're instilling in them a lifelong skill of how to make hard decisions or how to change their behaviors. And again, if everybody started doing this across the board, if all teachers, whether it's the counselors or the administrators, coaches, if they started asking those questions, those evaluative questions of, what do you want? What are you doing to get what you want? Is what you're doing working? If not, what's your plan to change? Those things across the board will become part of their life, and you use it as an adult. And so we're preparing them for life after high school as well.